Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your mortgage and interest rate update. And I do have some good news. We finally had a reduction in the 6-month rate, and I can share these with you. But look at that, the 6-month. So we've got two of the big banks now offering 6.79. Yes, it's only a slight reduction, but it's good news. It's going down. That 6-month rate. So finally, you'll also see the other rates I've got there. The 1-year rate now 6.19. That's pretty much standard now. 18-month rate 5.85. So again, slowly going down. The 2-year rate, now I've seen that fluctuate from 5.69 to 5.79, what I've written there. And then I've got your 3-year rate, 5.65, and then your 4 and 5-year rates at 5.59, both of those. So that's the good news. Finally, we've seen a movement in that 6-month rate. So it'll just be interesting to see how much more it drops and by when. So we'll keep you posted with that. Now, we did have a big discussion here with the team as we do, and we do sometimes chat here, and I'll our little board to show you what we were talking about. And we're just playing with the numbers to see, is it best to fix for 6 months, 1 year, or 18 months? And just to show you some of the thinking that goes into us here. So we're just looking at a 100,000 loan over 30 years. Those repayments are about $151 a week for 6 months at 6.85. We were thinking, right, are you better to do that or the 18-month rate? 18-month rate, what we're saying, 5.85. Look at that. Look at those repayments, 137. And all of us without doubt said, look, sometime within the next 18 months, that 6-month rate of 6.85 will definitely be lower than the 5.85. So that was why we're not sort of looking too much into that 18-month rate, even though it's a very good rate. The 1-year rate's very good as well at 6.19 for that certainty. So as interest rates change, we're always doing little scenarios here to see how it's looking like. Now, we did also have a discussion that we're thinking there's 2 more OCR reviews this year. One on the 9th of October, which is a shame because a week later on the 16th, that's when the inflation data comes out. So there might not be any OCR change in that one, or it could be a 0.25 cut. Or if there's no change, we were actually talking here, we might think that we might see a 0.5 cut or more when the next and final OCR review for the year is at the end of November, 27th of November. So, you know, the Reserve Bank governor is a bit of a cowboy, is a bit of a maverick, so we can't rule anything in or out. But we do know that we are expecting at least another cut, if not 2 this year, and then the next OCR review is not until the 19th. So who knows, the Reserve Bank governor may give us all an early Christmas present at the end of November and give us a nice cut, and I probably might not do anything in early October when they review again, which we thought they were going to do until they get this inflation data. In terms of mortgages and clients putting in offers, it's been a pretty busy week here. We've got a number of clients putting in offers or have had offers accepted on properties. So the team here behind, Crystal, there she is in the background there working hard, getting those people their properties, 1, accepted by the bank, and 2, helping finalise any final conditions so we can help our clients be ready for unconditional. Annie also behind there working hard. She's had another busy week with applications, busy churning out applications before she goes on holiday for a couple of weeks. So she's working hard there. And yeah, I'm just the usual stuff, meeting with clients, going over applications, giving that advice to make sure that you're doing the best decision for you guys. Anyway, that's enough from me. That's enough from us today in the office. Thank you for watching, and press that like button, press that share button if you're finding this useful. Any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. We'll get back to you. Otherwise, everyone, have a great rest of the afternoon, and we'll be in touch with the live video again soon. Cheers. Ka kite.